Hi everyone, our next session is on OpenVas. OpenVas is a free and open source vulnerability scanning and management system. It is now maintained by Greenbone and we can implement in our network or our organization for free. It does have multiple different set of products, like it has a cloud version, it has a premium feed version, but we are good for the day to start with the free one. So you go to this link. By the way, all the links would be provided in our description sections. Have a look for having direct access. So you go to Greenbone OpenVas free. When you scroll down, it would ask you that, hey, give me an email, country, and get your free download. And there would be installation guide for VMware and for Oracle. For our case, we can use any one of them. Let's try with this time Oracle also and VMware also. Let me have a look on email ID. So again, to get an email ID, we'll go to the temp mail, copy the particular email ID, paste it up here. Country, I am writing, let's say India. I do agree to the data processing. I am a human, and click on, I need to prove myself as human. Find all the things that are related to the image pointed. 1, 2. Next. 1, 2. Verify. And yeah, I am verified successfully as a human. Click on send. Let's wait. And we are good. Thank you for the message. Installation guides. And you may also get here. Yeah, you got an email. Your download request for OpenVas free. Click on this email to read regarding the details. And you get every link here. For VMware Workstation Pro, for Oracle VirtualBox. So just go ahead and click on whichever file you want to download. So yeah, it started for me for VMware. And similarly, you click on this link and it would be providing you for the virtualbox.ova file. Both of them are having the particular scenario. This is how we are going to install the OpenVas. Once the download has been complete, we are going to proceed with the installation step in the next video. Stay tuned.